Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, two Kegerator brands will be going head-to-head. We have the NutriChef Mini Kegerator and the EdgeStar full-size Kegerator. A Kegerator keeps your favorite kegged beverage chilled in the comfort of your own home. It usually holds a keg or two and dispenses icy brews and beverages with pressurized ease. Whether you're looking for a portable option for outdoor entertaining or no-nonsense way to keep your favorite craft brews cool, a Kegerator is a useful appliance to have in your arsenal. In today's video, we will be pitting two top contenders, the NutriChef Mini Kegerator and the EdgeStar full-size Kegerator, against each other in a battle of style and substance. Both these units have earned 4 badges from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, ensuring their quality, durability, and performance. However, there is only one room for a winner, so sit back, relax, and watch as we battle it out in today's brand wars. If you are interested in other Kegerators that we have reviewed, do check out our Kegerator review video linked below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these two Kegerators will be going toe-to-toe with is their size and form factor. Size is an important factor to consider when looking for a Kegerator. Kegerators come in all shapes and sizes, so we highly suggest you find one that suits your intent and purpose, as well as your sense of style. Whether you want something portable or you want something that you can install in your kitchen space permanently, you're going to want a certain kind of size and form factor out of the Kegerator. Although smaller or bigger isn't necessarily better, it comes down to what you're looking for. The NutriChef Mini Kegerator measures 7.5 by 6.9 by 19.5 inches, while the EdgeStar full-size Kegerator measures 25.69 by 20.19 by 35.06 inches. With the NutriChef Mini Kegerator being more of a miniature model, as its name suggests, it is significantly smaller than its competition. At just 6.23 pounds, it is considerably lighter than the EdgeStar's whopping 81.6 pounds. If what you're looking for is solid construction as well as performance, then we believe you wouldn't be wrong to invest in the EdgeStar full-size Kegerator. Since both models are very different in terms of size and form factor, it would be wrong to choose a single winner between the two. If we absolutely had to pick, however, we believe the NutriChef Mini Kegerator comes in a size that's more friendly to the regular consumer and brewing amateur. For that reason, it wins this round and takes the first point of the battle. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their capacity. When storing booze, it is important to know how much a Kegerator can hold or store. For a single night of drinking with your closest buddies to hosting a large house party, there are different Kegerator sizes for all your different needs. Some machines offer a large capacity while some are only designed for personal use. For that reason, you should make it clear to yourself what purpose you're going to use the Kegerator for before investing in one. We highly recommend, however, that you get a smaller capacity Kegerator if this is your first Kegerator purchase. The NutriChef Mini Kegerator has a liquid volume capacity of 128 ounces, which is roughly 10 to 11 cans or bottles of 12-ounce beers or sodas. While this is enough for a simple night of drinking with the boys, it gets totally blown out of the water by the competition. The EdgeStar full-size Kegerator, as its name clearly points out, is full-size and easily capable of serving a large party of people at once. With a half-barrel liquid capacity, which is roughly 124 pints of beer, this Kegerator is definitely not something to be scoffed at. At the same time, one could say that this makes a worthwhile purchase only for business owners or people who love hosting parties. In terms of the sheer amount of holding capacity, the EdgeStar full-size Kegerator is clearly the definitive winner of this round. It takes this round's point and ties the battle up at 1-1. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their type. Another factor to look at when picking out a Kegerator is its type. All in one, there are 4 different types of Kegerators. There's the Mini Kegerator, which is designed to give you a great draft experience without taking up much space or costing you a lot of money. There is also the freestanding Kegerator, which is designed for most people's use. You can pretty much keep them anywhere inside your house where you can fit them. The third type is the built-in Kegerator, which is installed directly into your countertops just like a dishwasher or oven would be, to have a seamless look and feel in your home. Lastly, the fourth type of Kegerator is the outdoor Kegerator, which, as its name suggests, is designed for people who want to keep a Kegerator out in their garage or on their back patio. The NutriChef Mini Kegerator's type is self-explanatory. This makes the machine an attractive purchase for people who are quite new to the world of kegerators. We believe it can be a good starting point for someone interested in owning their own dispenser but not quite ready to shell out the cash for a full-size kegerator just yet. The EdgeStar full-size kegerator, on the other hand, is a freestanding kegerator, which means you can pretty much keep it anywhere inside your house where you can fit it. Since it is full-sized, we only ever recommend this kegerator if you're deeply committed to the world of drink dispensers. Out of the two kegerators, we would have to say that the NutriChef Mini Kegerator is the more versatile unit of the two. For that reason, we are giving it this round as it takes the lead with a score of 2-1. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with are their build and long-term durability. The build and long-term durability are just as important, if not more important, than a kegerator's type and design combined. After all, what good is a kegerator if it doesn't even manage to last you a year? For that reason, we highly suggest you check on each prospective kegerator's material and construction. Materials such as heavy-duty stainless steel and all-metal construction are sure to get you your money's worth in terms of product service life and long-term durability. The NutriChef Mini Kegerator is constructed of 304 stainless steel, which pretty much provides this compact and lightweight machine with the heavy-duty feel and vibe that only metal can provide. The EdgeStar full-size kegerator, however, is no slouch either. Its column draft tower is made of stainless steel, while its faucet is constructed of chrome-plated brass. With masterful construction, we believe this will pretty much withstand the wear and tear of daily use for years on end. For the reason that the EdgeStar full-size kegerator is so much more thoughtfully designed with solid materials such as stainless steel and chrome-plated brass, we are giving it this round's 1 point, and so the score is tied up again at 2-2. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with are their ease of use and cleaning. No matter what model or brand you buy, there's always going to be at least a small learning curve required as you get used to your brand new kegerator. Putting it together is a relatively simple process, and we found that most people can do so without experiencing any difficulty. As far as using the machines, some may require detailed instructions, especially for people who are first-time kegerator owners. Aside from this, a kegerator should be relatively easy to clean, with some parts being removable and thereby easier to clean piece by piece. The NutriChef Mini Kegerator is quite easy to use, with a design language that requires little to no instructions on how to use and clean. Thanks to its portable and lightweight design, the kegerator is also very easy to clean. For this reason, we believe it makes a very attractive purchase for someone who's looking to invest in their first kegerator. The EdgeStar kegerator quite impressively has drip trays that catch spills to contain drips and mess. This makes cleanup so much easier, with the other parts staying relatively clean after use. Without a doubt, this feature will come in handy when you're using this kegerator regularly and heavily. After all, it's the small things that truly make a difference. Although the NutriChef Mini Kegerator is very easy to use and clean, we believe that the ease of use and cleaning of the EdgeStar full-size kegerator is something that means so much more given its keg type and size. For that reason, we are going to give it the point for the final round. Finally, we have come to the end of this battle of kegerators between the NutriChef Mini Kegerator and the EdgeStar full-size kegerator. Even though it was a very tough fight, the EdgeStar full-size kegerator beats the NutriChef Mini Kegerator by a narrow margin of 1 point. As much as we would like to keep going on about the wonderful features these kegerators offer, there can only be one victor today, and the EdgeStar full-size kegerator has already claimed its throne, as it awaits for yet one more battle with another formidable opponent. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the NutriChef Mini Kegerator and the EdgeStar full-size kegerator has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next kegerator face-off which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at thetrustedshoppingguide.com again soon.